What if I told you that disappearing for 6 months could completely transform your life? Disappearing isn't about being antisocial or completely cutting outside access. It is about being very deliberate on what you do and who you let into your life. Just like Bruce Wayne before he became Batman, or Steve Jobs during his wilderness years before returning to revolutionize Apple. The most profound transformations happen when we step back, lock in, and rebuild ourselves from ground up. If you are serious about creating the life of your dreams, then this video is a must watch because you are going to learn the 4 powerful steps to disappearing and reinventing yourself. And trust me, the fourth one is the most important, which ties everything together. This isn't just theory. Some of the most successful people have used this. Take Bill Gates for example. He isolates himself for Think Week. No distractions, just thinking, reading and strategizing. Many of Microsoft's biggest innovations were born in these silent retreats. Or look at J.K. Rowling. Before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon, she was broke, struggling writer. She spent years writing in solitude, working in silence, and facing 12 rejections before finally getting published, and the rest is history. So what does it exactly mean to disappear? And how do you do it effectively? It's not about running away from your life's responsibilities or relationships. It's about stepping back strategically to rebuild yourself. And that brings us to the first point. Step 1. Cut out the noise. You have big goals, but here is the problem. You are distracted. Social media, endless notifications, and people's opinions are draining your focus. To truly transform, you need to cut out the noise. And to do that, there are 3 simple steps that you need to follow. Step 1. Detox from social media. Remove social apps from your phone. Set limits, block distracting websites, and set up systems that make it impossible to waste time online. Step 2. Stop announcing your plans. According to research published in the Psychological Science, announcing your goals activates the same reward centers in your brain as actually achieving them, reducing your motivation by up to 5%. So build in silence. Reduce unnecessary conversations. If you are always available for others, you are not available for yourself. During your transformation, if someone isn't contributing to your growth, limit your exposure to them. Not forever, but for this critical time. It will be difficult, but once you cut out the noise, you will finally have the mental clarity to focus on your dreams. And that brings us to the second step. Step 2. Go all in on self-improvement. Most people fail at this stage because they remove the distractions but don't replace it with something better. If you truly want to transform, you need to obsess over self-improvement. To improve yourself, you must follow the 3x3 development system. It focuses on the 3 key areas of your life. The first is mental optimization. Commit to reading 1 book per month in your field. That's 6 books in 6 months. Take 1 online course monthly that develops specific valuable skill. Implement idea capture system in which you carry a notebook and document every insight. You can even do it in the Notes app in your phone. Physical reconstruction. Schedule non-negotiable daily movement. Research shows that just 20 minutes of exercise improves cognitive function by 30%. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Eat nutrient-rich and whole foods to maintain your energy levels. Psychological fortification. Practice daily meditation starting with just 10 minutes. Studies show 8 weeks of meditation physically changes the brain structure. Maintain a decision journal documenting your choices and their outcomes. Think of this as training in the shadows phase. While others are wasting time, you are evolving. And once you have built the foundation, it's time for step 3. Create a new identity. Transformation isn't about changing habits. It's about changing who you believe you are. The reason that 92% resolutions fail is that people try to change their habits and not their identity. If you still see yourself as the same person, you will keep repeating old patterns. But there is a system that makes transformation easy. It starts with defining your future self. Write a detailed description of your ideal self 1 year from now. Focus not only on your achievements but your beliefs, values, and automatic responses. How would this version of you handle stress? What would be non-negotiable in their daily life? What habits do they have? Change your environment. Your space reflects who you want to become. If you want to become fit, surround yourself with healthy foods and active people. Setting the right environment will make success easy. Practice identify affirmations. Instead of generic positive statements, use identify affirmations which reflect who you are becoming. For example, I am the type of person who completes what they start. Or I am someone who prioritizes long term growth over short term comfort. When you see yourself as the person who succeeds, your actions will follow. But even after building this new version of yourself, there is one final step, and that is the most important one. Step 4. Reemerge as a better version of yourself. This is where everything comes full circle. You disappeared, you transformed, and now you return, but not as the same person. Most people make a critical mistake of simply coming back to their old life. But you need to re-enter in a way that protects your transformation. To come back stronger, don't rush back into old habits. The temptations will be there, but this time you won't fall back. Create non-negotiable systems that protect your new identity. This might mean making better decisions, blocking out time in your calendar for non-negotiables, or setting digital limits. Move with purpose. Use your newfound motivation to set new goals and pursue them relentlessly. But the most important part of this journey is to reconnect with your friends and loved ones. Research shows that the happiest and most fulfilled people have better social connections. It is okay to have fun once in a while with your loved ones, but do it in a way that doesn't hinder your progress. But here is a mistake that most people make. They set weak goals and wonder why they don't achieve their goals. If you are serious about making this transformation last, you need right goal setting systems. So watch this video next where I break down the most powerful goal setting systems that ensures success.